Why did the bicycle fall over? Because it was too tired. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Organizing these supplies helps me stay focused and prepared for whatever comes next, turning this simple kitchen into a calm space where I can recharge my energy.
Why do you keep coming back to this window day after day, as if you truly believe that you can break through the glass and reach me here inside?
Hi everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more amazing content.